And having RLUSD, our stablecoin, which just passed $500 million of market cap, we launched only about 6 months ago. So we're really pleased with that trend line. I feel like this will only continue to build that trust.
It's small compared to some of your competitors, though, at this point. How does that factor into how you approach the whole stablecoin industry?
So the stablecoin industry is about $250 billion today. Many people think it'll be between 1 and 2 trillion in a handful of years. The growth behind it has been profound. We joined the market kind of late, partly because we were using stablecoins in our payment flows for our institutional customers. As you probably know, Ripple at its core has been a payments company and solving a cross-border payments problem. We use stablecoins, we use XRP where it makes sense. And stablecoins, when we were using that, we were a big part of activity for us. We were minting a lot, and we thought, we can participate in this market, given our institutional background, given the fact that we've leaned into compliance and been very regulated. We have over 60 global licenses to participate in these markets. So we feel like the growth ahead will serve us well as we continue to serve that institutional client.
You still want a banking license, right? Even though you have this deal with BNY.
Well, yes, is the short answer. We have pursued and requested application to apply for an OCC license as well as a Fed master account. We think that the key here for crypto and the kind of decentralized finance, as many people call it, Ripple has been building bridges between traditional finance and decentralized finance. The world isn't going to be taken over by crypto. Instead, we think about how do we take the best of what crypto brings in facilitating faster, cheaper transactions and bring it to traditional finance. That's been at the heart of what Ripple has been focused on from the beginning. This is a step towards that, and certainly getting an OCC license. For those that have said that the crypto world wants to be unregulated, whatever, the opposite is true. I'm here in Washington in part, as you referenced, there's a Senate Banking Committee hearing today. We are advocating as an industry to be regulated. And those that, like Ripple, who have stepped forward and said, we want to get an OCC license, in addition to the licenses we have with the New York Department of Financial Services, it only continues to augment that very robust, very compliance-first, trusted partner so that we can continue to use these technologies to benefit consumers and businesses alike.
XRP, breaking news right now. The CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, just confirmed that the RLUSD stablecoin will be huge. In the coming years, we're going to see the RLUSD Ripple stablecoin explode in growth and will be worth trillions of dollars in the coming years. Ripple has over 60 different global licenses all over the world to launch their RLUSD stablecoin. Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin is going to be one of the top stablecoins in the world with the Ripple banking license that's coming soon. So if you hold XRP right now, this video is extremely important. Destroy the like button because the RLUSD stablecoin right here, as you can tell, is at 99.99 cents, so $1. And right now, the market cap of RLUSD is $668 million. That's it. So it's less than $1 billion. And the stablecoin market will reach trillions of dollars with a T in the next few years. So the RLUSD stablecoin is less than $1 billion in terms of market cap. The growth that we're going to see for the RLUSD and the stablecoin market as well will be astronomical in the coming years, according to the CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse. Right now, if you hold XRP, destroy the like button because the RLUSD stablecoin will be huge. It will be massive because of the Ripple banking license as well. Yes, the Ripple banking license that Brad Garlinghouse spoke about in this video also connects their RLUSD now to other different use cases. Imagine once Ripple gets their banking license, they will be able to use the RLUSD stablecoin in many different use cases for cross-border payments to send money back and forth. The stablecoin will be used in Ripple. The Bank of Ripple will use the RLUSD stablecoin. So the OCC will approve the Ripple banking license pretty soon. Ripple will also have a Federal Reserve master's account. Yes, a whole account with the U.S. Federal Reserve, according to the CEO of Ripple. So there are a lot of different use cases now. Big things coming up for the RLUSD stablecoin, for Ripple itself, the company Ripple, the XRP cryptocurrency. XRP basically powers all of it. Ripple uses XRP. The RLUSD stablecoin is built off of the XRP ledger. It uses the XRP ledger. And according to this guy right here, Reese Merrick, he's a director at Ripple of the MENA, Middle Eastern African region at Ripple. He's a director, and he just posted on X saying how the stablecoin market right now is valued at around $300 billion. And remember, the RLUSD stablecoin is less than $1 billion. So the RLUSD stablecoin represents a very small percentage of the entire stablecoin market still. That is how early we are. But anyways, the stablecoin market today is at 300 billion, and in the next few years, it is going to reach 1.2 trillion up to 2.8 trillion by 2028. Literally, in just 3 years alone, we can almost 10x the stablecoin market. And the RLUSD stablecoin will definitely benefit from this explosive growth that we're going to see with the stablecoin market pretty soon, because also the Genius Act that we just saw with President Trump signing it into law, that will also be a massive catalyst for stablecoins and the growth of stablecoins. Stablecoins, once they become a key part of the global financial infrastructure, which it will, the next wave of adoption will be driven by utility and institutional demand. And Ripple is perfectly positioned to capture this growth. The RLUSD stablecoin right now, everyone, this is breaking news, because also with SBI Remit in Japan, if you live in Japan, you know how big SBI Remit is. Basically, they are one of the largest banks in Japan. They officially launched RLUSD in Japan now. Brad Garlinghouse mentioned how Ripple has over 60 different global charters, global licenses with countries all over the world. So Japan is just the beginning. We are going to see the RLUSD stablecoin everywhere. If you hold XRP, this video right here that I just played for all of you is massive, is huge. Because yes, this is a few months old, but right now it is more applicable than ever before. If you hold XRP, destroy the like button, because more people need to see this video. I love you all. I will see you very soon. Until next time, Crypto AI and Man.
Now, if you're looking for a place to keep your cryptocurrency safe, you will love this decent hardware wallet. Yes, this uses your thumbprint to get in, and it has a big screen so you can actually see what you're doing on this cold hardware wallet. Now, the buttons are also very big, and you can actually know what you're doing. It connects to your iPhone and your Android, and this holds thousands of cryptocurrencies to keep your crypto safe. It is also extremely secure because it has a seed phrase and it uses your thumbprint to get in. So what are you waiting for? Make sure you get one using the links down below for a 33% discount, or get the 2-pack for a 40% discount. Thousands of you already got this decent hardware wallet, and if you have not yet already ordered one, what are you waiting for? You will love it as well. And now back to the video.